welcome back to my channel. This video is Draw My Life, the very first day of my new high school. This concept was originally of Brianna Renee. She's a YouTuber, a big YouTuber on the platform, so I'll make sure to leave her channel linked in the description. You can check her out if you want to. Also, as you all know, my drawing skills are not that great, and you probably will see how bad I am at drawing, so I use Bitmojis just like Brianna. Also, this video took a lot of hard work and effort to make, so make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. You can also follow me on my Instagram at Samriddhi Awasthi and Twitter Samriddhi07 to keep up with all of the updates, and let's just get started. So as a lot of you people might know, I switched schools in class 11th. I went from this really good private school in my city to another good private school in my city, and let's call this school B. So I joined the school at the end of class 10, but I joined it in July, and I remember the exact date. It was 12th of July 2018. Although it was the first day for me, it wasn't for everyone else, which did make things a lot more hard. So I remember the day vividly. I knew a teacher there who used to teach me at my old school. He helped me get to my class and showed me around a little, which I was so grateful and thankful for, because I absolutely knew no one, and knowing even a teacher at the school was really helpful for me, because seeing a friendly face definitely helps. When I entered the classroom, I saw that the school wasn't quite I expected. They had wooden tables and plastic chairs, which honestly, no offense, but I expected a little more than that. Also, can we take a moment to appreciate my drawing? Yeah, the chair looks like so good. So people around me told me that my school was getting renovated, and honestly that made me feel a little bit more salty. Then I met my class teacher, whom I recognized from my old school as well, because he used to teach maths there for a little while. Although he was really friendly and nice, I absolutely hated maths. Later I met a few of my classmates who tried to introduce them to me, one of whom was a friend of my friend, if that makes sense. And I was really happy to know those people. The first class was economics, and I don't know what went wrong, but the teacher taught the whole class because he was upset about something that had happened previously. Then I met a friend from my old school, and I was so happy that I finally knew someone. We made conversation, and I made a few of my friends in my economics class. A few other classes went by, and I went to the playground for the lunch break, even though I didn't eat anything the entire day at school and didn't even say a word to anyone the entire time, even though I was really hungry. I was just standing there and pretending that I don't exist. After struggling for a few more classes, the school finally got over, and I was so glad to get back home. But little did I know, because I joined the school later in July, it started raining, and it went from showers and it was pouring like heavy rain for over an hour. I usually took the bus home at my last school, so I thought that I would do the same here. I got to know that we had to wait for 40 freaking minutes for the junior classes to get over, because that was when the buses dropped everyone. I was soaking wet in the rain, regretting my decision to leave my old school, and I was on the verge of crying. Once the school got over for everyone, I boarded my bus and tried to make conversation with a few people, one of whom was talking about football. Therefore, I had to speak up, because Croatia reaching the final does not happen every day. So I made a little conversation with someone at the bus talking about football for a while, but after they went to their home, I was pretty lonely. But after I realized that it was the worst day of my life, I had to wait 2 hours because my bus got stuck in a traffic jam before I could reach my home, even though my house is just like 30 minutes away from the school. Once I reached home, I went straight to my bed and went to sleep, and I was so tired I didn't want to go back to school again. The next day I didn't feel like waking up. I felt sick and I did not want to go to that school again because the first day was really bad for me. My mother still convinced me and drive me to school, and I had to go to school. The next day looked pretty good. I met a student there who was also new. She was a little bit shy and so was I. So I thought that we'd make a good friends. A couple days later, my new friend, who was a new student, was absent. So the girl offered me a seat with her and she was very welcoming. So I thought, yeah, let's give it a shot because I'm trying to make new friends here. And I decided to sit with her and I thanked her for being polite to me. She did all the talking, which was great for me because I wasn't very outgoing back then. Days passed by and we gradually became best friends before we even realized. I guess we both just bonded really well and had the same kind of vibes, which I think was really amazing. Even though we had our fair share of rough patches, we always found a way out of it. These 2 years were a blast with her, and probably the only good thing about school was my best friend. If she didn't go to school, I didn't. If I didn't go to school, she didn't, because literally I had no other friend for a while other than her. Even though my best friend made school a little better, I had to find my way through really tough classes, some of which were really bad, like maths. I didn't get a thing. I was struggling for 2 years straight. But you know what? At the end, I graduated. I made it through. And you know what? School was over, which was the best day of my life because I absolutely hated school for 14 years and finally it was over. Overall, I had mixed emotions about high school, struggling at some points but enjoying some of the others. The thing is that it gets better. Stay strong and look forward. Just hang in there, because it really does get better. That's all for this video. I really hope you all like it. It took me so long and so much of hard work to make this video, so make sure you like it. And also, you guys can let me know in the comments how bad of a drawer I am. I think I am pretty bad at it, so I will use all the stickers from next time. No drawing, I promise. So make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification, follow me on my Instagram and Twitter, and I'll see you guys on Wednesday with a brand new video.